Hello friends, let's begin today's class. Today we will discuss about entrepreneurial skill, entrepreneurial behavior as well as the training. So first is entrepreneurial skill. So how we can define the skill? See, skill is the ability to do something specific or translate knowledge into action. So we can define the entrepreneurial skill, that this skill is the ability to do something, or we can whenever we are gaining the knowledge from the different type of primary as well as the secondary resources, and we are translating this knowledge into the action, that ability is called as a skill. So there are different type of entrepreneurial skill, like researchable skill, managerial skill. These skills are very much important to become a successful entrepreneur. So research skill. What is research skill? Research skill is very much important to become a successful entrepreneur. Before starting any enterprise, we should have knowledge about the market, various type of resources and the marketing situation and various other things. So to know each and everything, research is very much important. The objective of researchable skill is to identify the situation. Means first step is to identify the situation. For example, when we are going to start any enterprise, we should have knowledge about that situation where we can start this enterprise, what are the resources already available and what resources we need. So each and everything we should have knowledge about these things, and we can collect the data from the primary as well as the secondary resources, but that data should be valid as well as the reliable. And after collecting all information, we should sort it out each and every information. So this is a research skill. Say for example, when we are doing our MSc and a PhD thesis, what we are doing, firstly we can select our topic, and to select our topic we can collect the data from the primary as well as the secondary resources. We read many books as well as the journals or the magazine, and then we decide our topic, and after deciding our topic we identify the situation, and on the basis of identification of the situation we develop some researchable questions, and on the basis of these researchable question we can make the objectives. So this is a step by step process, and the same this in to start any enterprise we should do same type of research. Okay, so that researchable skill is very much important. The second skill is management skill. That managerial skill is also very much important to become a successful entrepreneur. In managerial skill, we can discuss about the post core. Post core means we should have knowledge about the planning, organizing, directing, controlling, and various other important steps also. Like planning means that financial planning, that marketing planning, and overall business planning. So we should have knowledge about how we can plan our new enterprise or how we can become a successful entrepreneur. So we should do planning to each and everything. Second thing is very important, that is the organizing means organization of venture is very much important. Time management is also important. Directing means how we are directing to our staff, that self direction, sense of responsibility, these are very important points. Controlling means we should have knowledge about the bookkeeping, accounting, recording, and how we can control our staff also. So that managerial skill is very much important. Now there are some traits which are very important to become a successful entrepreneur, that an entrepreneur should be a highly should have high need achievement. And second is important thing is need for independence or the autonomy. Means an entrepreneur want to become an independent person, or they want to work with their own boss also. And the risk taking ability means they should take the calculated risk. Self efficacy is very important. Means that perception that all the events are under their control. And tolerance of ambiguity is very much important. Means a lack of complete or definitive information, or entrepreneur perceive the ambiguity in a positive sense and challenges dimension of a task also. Ambiguity means ambiguity, we can define the ambiguity means that is asset, because it allows the entrepreneur to organize the thoughts and to make the decision. under condition of uncertainty also. And innovativeness is also very much important, and lack of the conformity, need for conformity is also important. And another important thing, that is a entrepreneurial training. That training is very much important. We can define the training is an act to stimulate the entrepreneur for the knowledge and the skill of an employee. That if we attend the training to become a successful entrepreneur, we should attend the training also, because the training is very much important to acquire the knowledge, information, as well as the skill related to the enterprise. So we can conclude today's class that we have discussed about the various types of skill related to the entrepreneur, which are very, very much important to become a successful entrepreneur, as well as the importance of entrepreneurial training. Thank you very much.